Okay. What happened here? Over to the east as well, but whether they have already evacuated in the last couple of hours or whether they're just now getting the word, I can't tell you. But there does not seem to be a whole lot of car traffic. Protecting those structures should be a little bit easier because you're going to have the help of all of these helicopters dropping water and preventing that fire and any flare-ups that come ahead of it. For the last several days, people have been running for their lives for a fire where the wind is blowing in their direction. That's not happening right now. Now the fire is creeping in certain directions, and now the fire department has to address these flare-ups as they flare up and as the situation warrants.